Welcome to Tipster Hub, your home for smart tips, event guides, and life hacks. Today I'll be sharing 10 home organization hacks that actually work. These hacks are simple, affordable, and will make your home feel clean and clutter-free. Let's dive in. Hack number 1, use drawer dividers. Whether it's for clothes, utensils, or office supplies, dividers keep everything in its place and make finding items quick and easy. Hack number 2, store seasonal clothes in vacuum-sealed bags. This saves a ton of closet space and keeps clothes fresh until you need them. Hack number 3, use clear containers and labels for pantry items. You'll always know what you have, and it makes your kitchen look neat and professional. Hack number 4, install hooks behind doors to hang bags, hats, or coats. It's a smart way to use space that often goes to waste. Hack number 5, use baskets or bins to group items by category. Whether it's toys, cleaning supplies, or cables, this keeps everything tidy and easy to find. Hack number 6, create a drop zone near your entrance. A small tray or bowl for your keys, wallet, and mail makes leaving the house stress-free. Hack number 7, maximize vertical space. Use shelves or hanging organizers to take advantage of walls and unused corners. Hack number 8, roll your towels and clothes instead of folding them. Rolled items take up less space and are easier to stack. Hack number 9, keep cords organized with clips or ties. No more tangled mess every time you need a charger. Hack number 10, follow the one in, one out rule. Every time you buy something new, remove an old item. This keeps clutter from piling up. And that's it, 10 home organization hacks that actually work. Which hack are you gonna try first? Comment below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to Tipster Hub for more smart tips, event guides, and life hacks every week. See you next time.